Hello guys, I'm Tajir Rahman from TechBroVD YouTube channel and welcoming you to another video of TechBroVD YouTube channel. So today I will be going to show you how to hack the Chrome Dinosaur game. So you can play the Chrome Dinosaur game with internet and without internet, both ways. So today we'll be going to hack the Chrome Dinosaur game. So let's get started. See you after the intro.
Like a Hellcat.
At first you have to go to the Chrome browser and type in here Chrome //dino. As you know, now you can't play Chrome Dinosaur game in your laptop or PC. So now you have to convert your PC into an Android. So click on inspect by right clicking. Then you can see I selected iPad Pro, but you can select any of it. From now I am clicking Galaxy S5. Then I will click on console. Then we have to type runner dot instance dot game over is equal to first bracket is equal to greater than sign, then second bracket. You can see this runner dot instance colon, it's dash dot game over is equal to first bracket close and first bracket start, and then is equal to, then greater than sign, and the second bracket start and second bracket close. That's it. Then you have to click on it and you're done for it. Now you have to click on this dino and start playing. You can see that it will overcome all the obstacles. You will not get disqualified, and this game will go on and go on. You can get unlimited scores. Let me show you after some time my scores get to 1000. Let me show you. I am pausing the video as it will take some time. So
A few moments later.
here you can see my score got 1058. I have paused the game. It can cross any obstacle, you can say any obstacle. You can collect unlimited scores from it. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe.